Alright, hello everyone, welcome here, I'm PieSquid, and today I'm showcasing this basic redstone calculator that I built in Minecraft. This calculator is able to add any two single-digit numbers, as I shall demonstrate for you now. Let's go with 5 plus, let's say 7, and hit equals. Now this is not the fastest calculator in the block, taking approximately 4 to 6 seconds for every calculation, but this is simply a proof of concept and that is good enough for me. Now, I would like to explain approximately what is going on inside this, but I warn you, I am no computer scientist, so I'm probably going to get a lot of these terms wrong. Anywho, this calculator takes in its input as decimal, which are the numbers you use every day. And over here in this mostly green and blue circuit, it converts those decimal numbers into binary. I call this the binary encoder. Then the binary encoder through these 4 blue wires sends those numbers into the memory module, which is this orange and yellow thing surrounded by more green, that stores those numbers until they are called. For those of you who are interested, this memory module uses locking repeaters to store data. Now, this memory module is actually only 1 byte of memory. That's not very much. You're going to want a little bit more if you're building a gaming PC. But anyways, when this memory module is told to do so, it will send its numbers into the processor, which is this long triangular circuit right here. Now, this processor is really just a slightly glorified full adder, but it nonetheless does actually calculate the answer and sends it out through these 5 blue wires right here. I'll get to that orange wire in a bit. The processor then sends those numbers into the binary decoder, which is this dark blue and green kind of box, and that turns the binary into decimal. The decimal is then sent into this 7-segment encoder, which turns it into 7-segment, which is what digital displays use. And that is in turn put up on the display. Now, that orange wire is in fact an error indicator, and that will illuminate this redstone lamp over here and let me know if the processor has actually come up with a number that it can't. It should be impossible for that wire to turn on. I've never seen it turn on, but nonetheless it is there in case of a major glitch in the system. Also, this is not so much a feature as an anti-feature, but this calculator does convert the binary into decimal and then the decimal into 7-segment. That is an extremely inefficient way of doing it and actually approximately doubles the amount of time it takes to display the answer. I would like to be able to convert the binary directly into 7-segment, but I have not as of yet figured out how to do that. Now, there are probably much smarter people on the internet than me who have figured that out, but, well, I'm not there yet. That is approximately the basic functionality of this calculator, which is, well, it's not that, well, the individual components are complicated, but as a whole, it's not actually as complicated as you might think it is. I can hit clear. Also, there is this one logic module right here that just handles the plus, the equals, and the clear. Actually, that was kind of built as an afterthought. I built the entire calculator and then realized that I needed to be able to control it somehow, and went back into my redstone testing world to build this. And as a result, it's pretty weirdly shaped because it had to fit in there. But yeah, that is pretty much my entire redstone calculator. Now, if you have any thoughts, feel free to let me know in the comments section down below. And also, if you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like. And if you would like to see more like this, consider subscribing. That is all. I have been PieSquid. See ya.